This is part 4 of section 11.6. A student is selected at random from a group of 200 students in which 135 take math, 85 take English, and 65 take both math and English. Find the probability that the selected students takes math or English. Okay, so we need to find the probability that someone is in math, and then we're going to add the probability that someone is in English, and then we're going to subtract off the probability that they are in math and English, and that will give me the answer I'm looking for. So the probability that someone is taking math. There are 135 people taking math out of 200. Now that does reduce, but since I'm going to be adding and subtracting, I'm going to keep it like this so my denominators are all the same. The probability that someone is in an English class, there are 85 who are out of the 200 who are in an English class. The probability that someone is in both math and English, we are told 65 people take both out of the 200. So the probability of math or English would be 135 over 200 plus 85 over 200 minus 65 over 200. Add, subtract across the top, and you get 155 over 200. And then that reduces to 31 over 40. Okay, so now we're going to talk about probability versus odds. Now, we often use these names interchangeably, just in regular everyday English, but they really are different things. They are very closely related. Odds are based on probability, but they are different, okay? Probability in the big picture, that's the most useful way for us to be talking about the chances of something. However, probability is not in the best format to use on betting. And betting is based on probability. You know, they stack the odds against you when you go to a casino, okay? They know the odds. But so we're going to talk about how to switch back and forth. It's really quite easy, and I think you'll see very quickly the difference and how maybe they could be useful. Okay, so I'm first going to give you the formulas you're going to see in your textbook, okay? This way, you're going to see exactly the way the computer is going to work these problems. So if you use Help Me Solve This, or view an example, you'll know what they're doing. And the formula I'm about to give you is exactly the one you would want to use if they provide the probabilities for you. However, if you're going to have to calculate the probability first, there's an easier format of this formula to use, okay? So, if the probability of E is the probability that an event E is occurring, then the odds in favor of E are found by taking the probability that E will occur, so probability of E, and we put that over the probability that E will not occur. Okay, so the probability it does occur over the probability it does not. Okay, that's odds in favor. Now the odds against, you flip the fraction. So it's going to be the probability that it doesn't happen over the probability that it does. Okay,